Today I'm going to be showing you my personal website. And in a website, the main components are index.html and style.css. So let's give index.html a quick review. In index.html, the most important parts are basically the HTML, the body, the title, links, section, IDs, and classes, I suppose. You can see these are the classes that I'll be using a lot. When I click on these classes, it will go down to the IDs. These are the IDs. These are the section IDs specifically. Now in index we have h1 ul, section div, image source, image ID. We have paragraphs. We have iframes for I'm pretty sure Wikipedia pages. And basically what I've done in this, I've implemented my about, who I am, my favorite hobby, my favorite book, my inspiration, my favorite food, but I haven't added my inspiration yet. That's a pending project. And I've also added some previous apps. I have added my apps games chatbot. So this is the index.html coding right here. Now for the styling, style.css, that basically means how do you want your website to look like? Let's see what I did. So the body, the text align is center. So text will be in the center. The h1, which is a header, the font size 40, cursive, chocolate, the same thing with h2, but the background color, now we have a background color which is sea green. Now with apps, this is, when we add a hashtag at the first before we write it, that means it's indicating that it is ID. Look over here when we go to apps. See, the section ID is apps. So what we did over here is add a hashtag to indicate that this is a ID. So the width is 100% and blah blah blah. Now we did the same thing with games, which is another ID. Games chatbot. We added an image, and then when we add a dot behind the line, that means this is a class. Class is quite similar to a ID, but not quite it. And also this line, just the actual regular line. Now let's just jump on to the personal website. And also remember, style.css mainly contains IDs, classes, images, whatever you want to do with styling. That's all it contains. So now let's go to the project. Yeah, this is my project here. There's the about, my favorite hobby, my favorite book, my inspiration, my favorite food. The title is my personal website. Now when we click on my favorite hobby, it moves down to my favorite hobby. And this is over here, it says click here to know about cycling. Goes to a Wikipedia page. Also, we have a line over here. As I was saying before, the line was a class, and we style the line to look like this. And we have these photos when touched, they go down. And you can see I am Soham Naik. Hi, my name is Soham Naik. I'm 12 years old and I'm studying in 7th grade. My school name is Sai International School, but for sure you can call it SIS. My favorite subject is maths and physics, and I love coding. Yeah. My favorite hobby is cycling. My favorite book, Christmas Carol, and we have a Wikipedia on our website, so that's a plus point for us, and we can scroll down in the Wikipedia too, but I don't know, my internet's acting up. Yeah. Now we have my favorite food. I love biryani. Apps, remember